If you've even moderately kept an eye on any payments-related news source, there's no way you have not been bombarded with the buy now, pay later craze in 2021. Almost all the widely known payment players in the field who could partake in the buy now, pay later craze actually did. We are quite sure that you have heard about the likes of Klarna, Affirm, and Afterpay, but industry giants such as MasterCard, PayPal, Visa, Square, Monzo, Revolut, Amazon, and even Walmart are all offering buy now, pay later options at checkout or are partnering with buy now, pay later companies to offer this service to their customers. Even mighty Apple is climbing aboard. But what does all lie ahead for buy now, pay later in 2022 and beyond? Is there still enough growth potential, or are we seeing signs of consolidation in this space? Good morning everyone, this is Merrick for Payment Genes, and today it's all about payments. It might not come as a surprise that research indicates that buy now, pay later can help sales to soar by up to 45%, while simultaneously powering an up to 45% decline in shopping cart abandonment. The most telling statistic of all is often the most simple one, and it certainly holds true with buy now, pay later, which has seen its user base grow at an impressive 85% in the last 15 months. Consumers' use of buy now, pay later for retail purchases of Nike shoes or the latest TV to even plane tickets grew from 20 billion in 2019 to 24 billion in 2020 to over 100 billion in 2021. According to customer surveys, one of the biggest reasons behind consumers' love for buy now, pay later is a greater flexibility in terms of managing their finances. Research also found that a full 55.6% of buy now, pay later adopters chose the method as it allows them to spread out their payments over time. Which makes me wonder whether you have made a purchase using buy now, pay later over the past 12 months as well. Brick and mortar store buy now, pay later applications still have a long way to go. Certainly considering the fact that buy now, pay later usability and credit cards are more than often compared, whereas in-store use of credit cards has well been adopted long ago. As of today, 22% of merchants surveyed are offering buy now, pay later as a payment option, although the percentage widely varies across different industry segments. These numbers are expected to grow as another 25% of merchants plan to implement buy now, pay later in 2022. But in which industries, you ask? The industries most likely to offer buy now, pay later are retail, construction, or utilities. Other segments that are currently offering buy now, pay later, but at a lower rate include professional services, personal and consumer services, as well as food, entertainment, and accommodation. But even the lower segments, with for example food and beverage, seem to be picking up pace. Throughout multiple regions in the Western economies, buy now, pay later adoption is still relatively low. Let's take France for example, where the uses of buy now, pay later services currently stands at around 5 to 6% compared to the uses of up to 25% in the north of Europe. This means that there is a huge potential for organic growth across France, but it's worth noting that French traditionally have a high credit card penetration rate. With the current buy now, pay later offerings springing up like mushrooms after rain, we are well equipped to cater to those markets that have not yet been widely adapted. Nevertheless, we have to agree that there seems to be no sign of the market slowing down anytime soon. That being said, there are obviously going to be significant extra bits of regulation that everyone expects, certainly in the European Union, with its high level of consumer protection. Finally, looking at this broader, saturated but high growth market potential, how do you foresee the growth and what application or company can still make a big difference? Let us know down in the comments below. For now, I'd like to thank you all again for watching and looking forward to see you all again next week. Cheers, bye bye!